what's up? I'm Sonia and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a Meesho kurti haul on this channel. This is something which you guys have been requesting me to make from a very long time. So finally we're making one today. Meesho is a very popular app and I understand that most of you might already know what it is all about, how it works. But for those who don't know about it, let me quickly tell you how it works and what it is all about. So Meesho is India's #1 reselling app, and why I'm saying this is because you can literally start your business with zero investment and you can earn more than 25,000 rupees sitting at home. I mean, how cool is that? And not only this, you can even buy some really cool stuff for your own self, from fashion to home products in very good quality at best price possible. And on your first order, you will get 100 rupees discount or flat 20% off if you're gonna download the app from link given in description box down below. Also, I'm gonna share how the whole earning model works after the haul, because I've got bunch of kurtis for myself from Meesho and I want to share it with you guys. So without wasting any further more time, let's just get started. Okay guys, so first is this gorgeous chikankari suit set which I got from Meesho app. I've been wanting this chikankari suit from a very long time and I was so glad when I found this one on Meesho app. First of all, look at the gorgeous color, such a very summery soft pink color happening. It has white embroidery detail happening all over on the front part and little bit on sleeves as well. And not only this, it comes with white dupatta and a palazzo pant. It's like a 3-piece set happening. It is stitched, so you do not have to spend a lot more money on getting it stitched later on, which is the best part. I just love every little thing about it. The fit, the material looks so summery, and not only for my casual outings, I can even wear it for my events and parties with more of, jhumkas and more accessorization. And yeah, I just love it. They had various different colors in this kurti, but you guys know how much I love pink color, so I just picked this one for myself. This is in size small and is priced at rupees 1384, which I think is okay because you're getting 3 pieces and that too stitched, so why not? Okay guys, so next I got a basic plain black kurti for myself because I've been wanting one from a very long time, and I guess एक basic plain black kurti होनी ही चाहिए हम सबके wardrobe में, because you can literally style it in so many different ways and it is very appropriate for a lot of different occasions as well. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is just a plain basic black kurti with little bit of mesh detail happening from the neck area up until sleeves, and you can accessorize it in so many different ways. You can style it up with pants or jeggings, dhoti, skirts, make it work for office or event, party, shadi and whatnot. I just love how versatile a basic plain black kurti is, and this is in size small and is priced at rupees 267, which is so great. I mean, you're getting such good quality. Everything is stitched, looks so fine, and the quality is so rich. I mean, I just can't wait to wear it and style it in so many different ways already. Alright guys, so next I got this very beautiful kurti pant set, and the moment I saw it, I just absolutely fell in love with it because of its pearl detailing and exaggerated sleeves happening. You guys know how much I love pearls and anything exaggeration going on the sleeve part. And just look at the material as well. There's some sheen happening, and these kind of fabrics are very appropriate for any function, on party. You do not have to spend a lot of time styling, getting ready, because the design, the material and little bit of pearl just speaks in itself. You do not have to spend a lot of time styling yourself. Also, this one is priced at rupees 960 and again in size small, and it also comes with pants like these, and iske bottom part pe they have very cool scallop design. Again, very trendy, looks very cool, and overall it looks way too pretty. So next I got something interesting. Okay, so this is how its kurti looks like. It has a little bit of cut happening at the front part with tassels. Oh my god, how pretty. So this kind of gives you a cape effect, but this is just a whole kurti in one, and I just love the flower print all over. It comes with palazzo pants, pink magenta palazzo pants. You can style it in so many different ways. Again, this is very appropriate if you're going to college, for your farewell, or if you're someone who just want to spice up your basic kurtis, I mean, how cool is that? Now the material is very soft. This one is in rayon and again size small, and it's priced at rupees 467, which I think is perfect because this looks so trendy, and of course a little bit of extra and different sort of design is also happening, and you're getting such a great deal. I mean, next, I got an all-white kurta set which comes with pants, of course. I've been meaning to get one all-white kurta set from a very long time, and this one comes with its own charm because anything white with gota patti detail happening, I mean, it just bomb, you guys. This is an A-line kurta and the material is cotton. Again, very summery, way too soft on skin, and it comes with straight pants like these, and I'm very happy about the fact how they have done their homework. I mean, look at the print. I mean, they have vertical lines happening all over, and it is great because they help in elongate your legs a lot more. You look more taller and more sharp and more put together. So I just love how they have these stripes going on, and you can style it with this, or you can later style it with any of your different tops or shirts and whatnot. I mean, that is right there. And this one is priced at rupees 1284 rupees, and again size small. So yeah. Guys, I saved the cutest and the best one for the last. Okay, so this is how the whole thing looks like. It comes with a kurti along with a cape or a kimono like this one. Look at the print, polka dot print happening. This is so cute. You can wear it together and there's your kurti dress ready. You do not have to bring any other element in your outfit. Like, your time is saved, your money is also saved because you're getting these two very cool and trendy and cute pieces at only rupees 625. I mean, I was mind blown when I looked at it and I was like, I have to get it, and I actually got it. So guys, now let's talk about how you can earn money from Meesho app with zero investment and no risk involved. Okay, so first you have to download the Meesho app, and I have provided the link in description box down below, so do check that out. And once you download the app, you just have to normally register how you do it with your mobile number, and then your account is just ready for free. Now once you're there, you will see many different categories from women's wear, men's wear, and even home products. So there are literally so many different categories that you can go for. And if you want to sell, for example, kurtis on your women WhatsApp group, so you just have to share the catalog. You can share single item or the whole range of it on your WhatsApp group, and that is literally it. And if you want to share something on your Facebook or Instagram, all you have to do is just click on the share button, and there will be options available to share it on your Instagram or Facebook. Now you have shared your catalogs and you have also received an order from someone. Now all you have to do is just place an order for them. So make sure to ask for their color specifications, sizing, and even their address, because you are the one who will be placing an order for them. So you do not want any hassle later on. So ask for the correct sizes and specifications and everything, and just place an order for them. Now if they're not comfortable with sharing their bank details, you can even opt for COD, and that is it. Now how you are earning money in this is, for example, a kurti is priced at rupees 444, and this is the total price of the kurti after shipping and everything. And if you think that your margin in selling this kurti at this price should be rupees 100, just add it at the margin, and after you place the order and the product is delivered at your customer's doorstep, that 100 rupees as your margin will be reflected in your bank account within 10 days. And I mean, that is so cool. You do not have to do anything. Everything is done from Meesho with zero investment. You're earning money at home, no stock at home. Everything is so safe, no risk involved. I mean, how cool is that? And guys, not to forget, you will get 100 rupees discount and flat 20% off if you're gonna order the app from the link given in description box down below. I mean, how cool is that? Discounts are always good, right? And the kurtis which I have shown you in today's video, I have provided their details in description box down below. So if you want to buy them for yourself, do that. And with this, we come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.